A beautifully hot day in Florida for a repipe. Look at all that. All this outside build out here, huh? You know, the house was built in 2000, but it needs a repipe. So, that's the room for the shower, but this sink is outside, as well as this tub. Not really sure. Plus, I think they have a roof leak, but not really sure how to get that one. And then, of course, gonna come down there for this sink. Toilet, the rest of that's pretty simple. Just all that block. I just want to start exploring right there. See if I can do something with that. Let's check out the kitchen. That's the leak they had.
For the the ice maker, they ran a new ice maker line in PEX, so it goes up overhead and back down.
Oh, that's what
That
got
was the
canceled
old
out. Yep.
ice, yeah.
Yeah, he said there's no backer on that.
All right. And that means this one might be going to the kitchen. Gonna have to cut and figure that out. It's a big one. First cut made. Look at that. I love new construction houses. Such fucking bums they have come out here and do this shit. Let me go get a light.